blanket switch is starting to go bad. Here we go. You know what I'm saying? I popped this up already. Just, I got a new blanket switch right there. 2019 Peterbilt. See, there's a ground wire on there too, so I got it. Here we go. Now let's see. There's only 2 screws and a plug. One screw on this side, one screw on this side. Look like we gotta take some more stuff first. Plugged in behind this here, the plug to the blanket switch. Hold up, maybe this come first. This should come right up too. And that come right out. Yeah, one screw here, one screw here, one screw here. There's going to screw right there, and screw up here. Like, put the order to take them off. One, here we go. It comes right out. You gotta work around it. That plug is right in. Plug. Part number right there. New blanket switch installed. You heard me? Everything put back together. It's all good.